Here are 7 weird income streams that will skyrocket you to financial freedom. As usual, timestamps are in the description. You can try this income streams in 2022 to 10x your income. 1. Royalty or licensing income. Licensing is when you create something and allow someone else to use it for a fee. For example, you could create a line of art prints and license them on to different products like mugs, shower curtains, or clocks by just uploading a .jpeg file of your artwork. You could also create a pattern and sell it to a company to print on their products, which is more like a traditional licensing agreement. A licensee purchases the right to use your design or product in a certain way for a fee. For a percentage of their profits or for a fixed amount of money, they can use your artwork, design, or product on their own products or in their own work. The licensee pays you what is known as a royalty fee. For example, if you are a designer and license one of your designs to a toy company, they will pay you a percentage of their profits, usually 2 to 5% for each product sold. That doesn't sound like a lot, but when they sell 10,000 units of a product at $40 each, that's $8,000 to $20,000, depending on the royalty, just for using a design you've already created. If you want to venture into this, some easy places to license your designs or products are Society6, Creative Market, Etsy, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, and Cupic. All the mentioned sites provide platforms to start licensing your designs immediately. More traditional forms of licensing, like working through a distributor, can be more prestigious and lucrative, but usually also require more time and recognition in your industry. However, don't let that discourage you from getting in contact with your favorite shops or brands. You have to start somewhere. However, this income stream is not limited to art and design. You can also turn your photographs or music into a stream of passive income by licensing it to stock image and music sites. Other content creators then pay for the rights to use your creations. Musicians can also sell their songs on sites like audiojungle.net and Pond5, while photographers can sell their images on sites such as Alamy and Adobe Stock. Another way to do this is by licensing custom-designed products. An example of this is uploading original designs to print-on-demand websites like Teespring, Redbubble, Cafe Press, and Zazzle, earning you passive income each time someone orders a t-shirt, coffee mug, or other physical product emblazoned with your design. Even better, you don't have to handle the printing, storage, or shipping, reducing much of the frustration of selling physical goods. Whenever possible, it is almost always better to license than to sell your design or product. If you sell your design or product outright, you may no longer exercise any control over how, when, or who it is used by. If you license your design or product, however, you maintain control over your property in a way that is fitting for your business. 2. Domain name investing. Domain investing, also known as domaining, is somewhat like trading stocks. You purchase inexpensive domain names and hope you will be able to resell them at a profit. Typically, you want to target common terms or specific proper nouns and keep in mind that .com domains run at a premium over almost all others in the US. Here are a few key things to look for in order to find a good deal if you decide to venture into this business. A. Geographic names. Names of cities or countries, including up and coming locations, can be great investments over time that can be sold to web developers looking to build out community portals or other businesses centered on those communities. B. Business names. Generic business names, such as dentist or chiropractor, can be great investments when combined with geographic names. C. Timely names. Timely names can be great investments when combined with events occurring in that year, such as 2022 Olympics.com. D. Generic names. Words that describe a product or service, including new and emerging products, can be a great investment, but it's very important to avoid any copyright or trademark issues that could result in domain forfeiture. One of the best places to start this business is GoDaddy.com. While it's cheap to get started, you can get some domains for $10 or less. It carries the risk that you won't be able to sell the domains you purchase, and therefore will lose your initial investment. You will also be on the hook for the annual fee each year through your registration service. 3. Asset building. As the name implies, asset building requires the upfront time and effort to build an income-generating asset. While it may not carry the steep financial costs of investing, it does come with the risk that the assets you invest your time in creating may not sell. There are 2 examples of asset building, namely, digital products and physical products. Digital products can be anything from ebooks and lesson plans to mobile apps, even NFT. What's key here is that you spend time building them once, and then are able to sell the same asset again and again online. You can take a totally passive approach to the digital products you create, or you can devote time and money to marketing them. Affiliate sales is another example of a digital product. Affiliate sales generate passive income through commissions you earn when someone makes a purchase through your link or by using a referral code that you published on a website, video, or podcast. You can find affiliate links for just about any type of product or service, meaning you could make passive income from anything that your audience may be interested in. Keep in mind, however, that this space is very competitive, and most successful affiliate marketing requires high-quality, ongoing content production. A good site to find affiliate products is ClickBank. B. Physical products. Physical products are anything that can be sold and is tangible. As this is a broad area, I will just give a few examples, including groceries, cars, phones, electronics in general, etc. With physical products, you can buy in bulk at wholesale prices from a manufacturer, then resell the product at a profit to retail clients. Or, if you are creative enough, you can invent a new product and have it funded through Kickstarter or any other crowdfunding site. 4. Treasury notes, bills, or treasury bonds. If you want to earn a slightly better interest rate than a savings account without a lot of additional risk, your first and best option are government bonds, which offer interest rates from 0.09% for a duration of 1 month up to 1.23% for a duration of 30 years. Bonds issued by the U.S. Treasury are backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government, which carries a lot of weight. Historically, the U.S. has always paid its debts. This makes government debt reliable and easier to buy or sell on secondary markets if you need access to your cash before the debt is mature. This stability, however, means bonds may have lower yields than you might earn from bonds where the debt was less likely to be paid back, as is the case with corporate bonds. 5. Corporate bonds. If you're willing to accept more risk for higher yields, high-grade corporate debt might be a good option. These bonds are issued by established, high-performing companies and typically offer higher returns than treasuries or money market accounts. While high-grade corporate bonds are relatively safe, you can still lose money investing in them if interest rates go up or the issuer goes broke. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending involves lending to a third party, often through a ready-made platform. You then earn interest as the initial amount you loaned is paid back. Peer-to-peer lending comes with significant risk that the person or people you loan to may default on their loans. You may choose to spread your funds across many different loans to minimize that risk, but you need to meet income or net worth requirements for your peer-to-peer platform of choice. Some require you to be an accredited investor and other lower state-specific financial requirements. 7. Vending machines. Owning and operating vending machines can provide passive income. You will need to find a location and shell out at least a few $1,000s to get started. From there, upkeep just requires you spend a little time each week restocking and servicing your machines, though you can outsource these tasks if you are willing to sacrifice some profits. Anytime you buy physical property as an investment, however, just remember that you will need to allocate space for storage as well as take on the risk that comes with moving perishable products.